I think I've reviewed everything that Reload has ever made, and this is far and away the most interesting.
These videos are educational in nature and are designed to help people over 21 who smoke cigarettes switch to a less harmful alternative.
Reload's calling this the Draco RDA. It's got these sort of like, looks like the top of a castle or part of a gear, and then it's got some, 2 airflow holes. This, adjustable. I could knock it down to just one if I wanted to. Nice. Standard issue 810 drip tip. World's strongest O-rings on the bottom. It's a nice little postless deck with a real deep juice well. Hex key screws on the side, and on the inside here it's a super reduced chamber, and you can see those little blue airflow inlets pointing at the coil. Those are how I adjust the airflow. It's a little bit weird, I'm not gonna lie, and if I want to change these airflows out right now, these are 3mm. If I want to change them out, I press from the back, and then each individual one falls out. Ooh, I was wrong. It's 2.5mm. It's actually nightmarish to run it without any airflow inserts. Don't worry, we'll try it later. All right, well, he didn't, but I can demonstrate that now. 0 airflow inserts. It's honestly not that bad. It's not as turbulent as you think it's going to be. It's mostly just 0 resistance. Feels like breathing in air. And honestly, no airflow inserts with one hole open is kind of rad. It's smooth and just like that nice resistance. I'm at least glad they thought ahead to have it at least be a pretty good vape if I lost every airflow insert. Okay, back to uppy closey guy. And then I get my little Reload vial with all the little airflows in it, and I sift through, and I got to find the 4 3mm blue airflow inserts. But if I don't want blue, it's whatever. I can do 2.5mm red, golden, that Reload Vapor classic golden. They're just each held on with a little O-ring, and I got to press them all the way in. It's not something I'd ever do, on the fly. But now if I wanted to, I could go full red.
Beautiful, Clark.
Just a little bit off the deck. It's like, boom, just dit, and then there. It's like, whoop, and then right there. Cut. For the inside. Oh, vapors. It's honestly just a matter of lining it up after this. Straight down. Boom. Kind of matchy on a Vapresso Gen. I have a lot of thoughts, but let's get back out to normal view and vape while we talk. Here's the thing. Where's my Sullies? There's literally nothing wrong with this RDA. It's just a little bit, in my opinion, I guess the word I want to use is cumbersome. I genuinely don't care for all the tiny little airflow inserts. The airflow is good and feels nice and is really smooth, but 4 little separate O-ringed holes, especially if I want to have multiple colors of them, it's going to be a lot to keep track of. And maybe I'm speaking to my failing of not being able to keep track of things, but doesn't that seem like a lot to keep track of? I don't know. I mean, even if it is a lot to keep track of, the airflow is so nice. It's so smooth, but it's got, like a whisper of sass. There's like a little bit of resistance. Like, I don't want to say crunchiness because that feels like a negative thing, but there's like a little bit of crunchiness to this that I love, that takes it over the top. I can't stand using tiny little chop top drip tips like this, especially on this RDA, because my lips are just celebrating those castle points. Just really gets to know them. It feels like I'm putting a part of the RDA in my mouth that I shouldn't be putting in my mouth. There's some slight little things that annoy me about this, like my lips constantly touching the castle tops, but otherwise, even with all the little airflow inserts, it is customizable. I can get real matchy with this, and that's a bonus. I think it looks good. I think Reload's machining is on point. It all fits together real nice. And most importantly, the airflow feels nice and the flavor is good. It just vapes good. If I had to hand out banana stickers, which I don't have to. I'm going to. I don't have to, though. But I'm going to. I mean, comparing this right now in my head to every other Reload product I've ever used, I think this stacks up. I think this stacks up amongst the best of them. They've released a pretty damn hell-ass good RDA in 2026, and I'm going to give it at least 8 banana stickers. Reload has a track record, in my eyes, of consistency across the board. I can't even think off the top of my head of a clunker that Reload has ever had. This absolutely holds up to the Reload name, to the Reload quality. It might be a little bit finicky with the airflow pins, but what you get in return is, good. I'll never be able to tell you, and I would never tell you anyway where these can be picked up, purchased, or otherwise acquired. And YouTube, despite being demonetized completely, still gets mad when I tell you the exact retail price. So I'm just going to tell you it's Reload priced. The most important part of any of this is any human being still smoking cigarettes should be switching all of that smoking with vaporizing, and it's not even close anymore. There is a world of less harmful nicotine products out on the market. In the description of this video, I'm putting links to Just Science and Just Education. This has been a GrimmGreen video. Let's stay cigarette smoke free every single day. Double thumbs up.
It's like 10:30 and I'm just gonna smoke, so.
Clapping at the end. Faye. I'm never going to unhear that.